Want to install the Elementor theme on your WordPress site? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it so you can start building beautiful websites in no time. But first of all, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Open your browser and log in to your WordPress admin panel. From the left-hand menu, click on Appearance, then go to Themes. Click the Add New Theme button, and in the search bar, type Hello Elementor. You'll see the Hello Elementor theme appear. Hover over it and click to view the preview. If you like how the theme looks, just hit Activate at the top. Once it's active, a Customize button will appear, so you can tweak the design as needed. That's it. The Hello Elementor theme is now live on your site. So now, are you looking to design like a professional? Elementor is the tool I recommend. Why not give it a try using the affiliate link below and get started now? If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Catch you in the next one.